This journey has been long and quite the adventure, and I bet you're wondering why we have come all of this way, and you are soon to find out, but not before we have a very special guest joining us on our adventure. Our mom came out to join us on our journey. Now, the town of Eugene, you may not know, but it is supposedly home of the Grateful Dead. We didn't actually look that up, but look, we have these cool bears. Continuing our journey, we found many more windy roads through the woods. The fall trees were very pretty, and after seeing so many of these winding roads going through the forest, I'm still not sick of them. It was definitely more exciting getting to see them with our mom there though, because then we were like, hey, look at all this, and it was kind of fun to show it off as we were driving through. Very pretty. As we drove further north, we were getting closer and closer still to our final destination, and the fog in these forests was just so pretty. We decided to stop at Lasita Lighthouse for a little bit of droning and just a good walk around. There's this very pretty bridge. Got a cute family picture. The ocean on the Oregon cliffs at the edge of America looks so cool. And with that, we had made it. The destination of choice, Astoria, Oregon, the town where the Spielberg movie The Goonies had been filmed.
Hey, where are you going? I'm setting booby traps. Booby traps. That's what I said. I'm setting booby traps in case of anybody's going on it. Like if the toys, so we can hear them come.
Okay, hurry up.
Good idea. Hey, Taylor, where are you going? I'm setting booby traps. Booby traps. That's what I said. Booby traps. Watch. God, booby traps.
And so, after a long journey and a good night's rest, we settled in with some snacks to watch The Goonies. It was so much fun getting to see this movie again, and it definitely felt more exciting knowing that we were in the town where they had filmed the movie. Hey you guys! Up this gravelly hill was the Goonies' house, and next to it, Data's sister's house. They had the Rube Goldberg machine along with the Walsh family sign up by the door, which was pretty cool to see. From the top of the hill, you could hear some crows, as well as some seals down in the water. And here's our very 80s Polaroid. It was so fun getting to walk around Astoria. A whole bunch of the houses just have such a cute vibe to them, and there were a bunch of old cars and just colorful paint on the houses, cute little gardens. It reminded me a bit of San Francisco, but the vibe is still very much Pacific Northwest. They had these fun little pigeon steps leading up to the overpass above where we could see more of the town. This Polaroid didn't quite turn out. There was a cute old car driving under the bridge, but that beam of light got right in the way. We decided to do a bit more skateboarding, and that house in the background is the museum where Mike's dad works in the movie. You can really see what I mean when I say that the town kind of reminds me of San Francisco in the layout in this picture, just kind of zipping back and forth on the different streets. I like the way the whole thing's laid out, kind of fun. And of course, while in Astoria, we had to stop at the film museum. They had the Fratelli's SUV outside with the little bullet holes in the back, which turns out looks like they were just drilled in, but you would never know watching the movie. 1985. A couple of my favorite bits of the film museum had to have been the storyboard pictures that were up on some of the walls, as well as Data's costume. And my favorite character. There is One-Eyed Willie with his stash of cash. And of course Lily, play acting from one of the scenes. Bum 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 bum. And the highlight of the film museum, in the back they have an area where you can put a card in and film a bunch of different scenes from various movies that were filmed around the general Astoria location. Lily's jumping in that half cab, looking very chic. Yeah, look at her. It was so fun getting to be on the different little sets and getting to film ourselves. I really felt like we were just some people acting in a movie and we were just kind of improvising and playing around behind the scenes. Like the little bloopers they cut out. If anyone ever wants a hand with a short film, let me know. I now have a whole 3 minutes of acting experience under my belt, unofficially.
This is what we felt like on the mountain passes.
Oh, that's awesome.
That was fun. Trust your old mother, boys. Throw in the wheel, four-wheel drive.
Is that me?
Yeah. That's not how she sounded at all, but trust. Get in the car. Wait, I'll look in the mirror and then I'll be the person. Coco said, are you wearing a blindfold? The Fratellis! I had to run in with the Fratellis. That's why it's not working. Go together. What are we doing? Trust your old mother. Put her in four-wheel drive. And go. What are we doing here? Trust me, you're...
The Airbnb we stayed at was super cool. It was right off the pier and you could see some cargo ships in the distance traveling up the river, as well as some seals in the harbor. I love the way the colors from this drone shot came out. They're so pretty. And sleepy mornings call for sleeper coffee. This was a really cute coffee house. It was on the pier next to the skateboard shop, and they had a whole bunch of fun decorations. Lots of plants, lots of wood, lots of Godzilla. The coffee and the tea were really good, as well as these cute little tea cakes that they made that were dusted with flowers on the top. I would definitely come here a lot if I lived down here. I could totally see myself setting up my art stuff or writing up in the corner. Such a cute place. Did a bit more sightseeing. Got some fish and chips. And then we were just about ready to leave. One weekend felt like just the perfect amount of time to hang out in Astoria and get to see the different highlights. I'm sure if we had a week to spend here, we'd find even more to do and places to walk around and see, but had a really good time. And with that, it was time for us to begin our journey back home. In total, we drove 5,100 miles. This is just insane. We had literally the best time. It was so much fun, and I enjoyed it so much, just getting to hang out with my family and getting to explore. And of course, Goonies never die. Thank you for tagging along on our adventures. We will see where we go on the next one.